Wagwan, my people, it's your boy, Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where you already know it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah, man, today I'm going to show you how you can fully protect your vehicle in under 5 minutes using CarPro's HydrO2 Lite. Alright, some quick info about this product, guys. Right here on the bottle it says touchless sealant, spray and rinse. Durable up to 3 months. High gloss and smoothness. You don't know, guys, it's a ready-to-use product, the light version, right, guys? You can get the HydrO2, but then it's a concentrated version, you'd have to dilute it. But the HydrO2 Lite is a ready-to-use formula, straight out the buckle. Yeah, man, guys, this is awesome protection for your ride. Don't know, you can use it as a topper or as a standalone product. So without further ado, let's clean up the truck and get to it. Yeah, man, guys, this video comes in perfect timing. We're in between appointments now. The work truck is a little dirty, so we can clean off the work truck, apply the product, and show you guys so you can get full protection under 5 minutes. Let's do it. Yeah, man, today we got the MJJC with that TNS Pearl. Don't know, guys. Of course, use your common sense when using this product, guys. In the shade, not on hot panels. Make sure the panels are cool and clean. Show you guys. So the panels are pretty flat, you know. Needs a nice little top on there, spruce her up a bit, you know. So perfect time. Alright, people, the truck is now clean, panels are clean and cool, we're in the shade, so it's safe to go ahead and use the product. So we're going to start the timer now, I'm going to show you can fully protect your ride under 5 minutes. Let's go. Boom, just like that, guys. Vehicle is fully protected. You see how quick and simple that was? No long talking too much, guys. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? That's under 5 minutes. The vehicle now has a nice layer of protection on there. Check it out. It's beading up pretty nice. Check out the beading, guys. When you dry in your vehicle now, it's so much easier. Such a pleasure. Check this out, guys. Just like that, the panel is completely dry. Check it out again. Off the window. It's also good to know that this product you can use on your entire exterior, your wheels, your paintwork, plastics, the trim, the glass. So everything can get covered. Yeah, man, easy. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Just like that, guys. Like I said, not too much long talking using this product, man. Easy, touchless, spray on, rinse off. What's better than that, guys? It's from a reputable company. CarPro makes awesome stuff, right? They're a big boy in the game, so you don't know. Good company, quality chemistry. What's the beat, right, guys? So if you guys are looking for an awesome product to apply some protection to your ride, quick and easy, check out CarPro HydrO2 Lite. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. So if you want to check it out, click the link. Don't know, guys, your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you subscribe. Bless.